GM, and I welcome all you to my YouTube channel Puneet GM. And I am a student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. As I have said that earlier, my name is Puneet GM. My subject is Data Structures and Applications. USN is 1VE22, CS 120, and I belong to a class Bhaskara 3rd semester and Department of Computer Science and Engineering. As we'll see stacks in this session, we'll see about stacks. We'll see about what is this stacks. Stack is a linear data structure. Stack is a linear data structure in which the insertion of one element and removal of an existing element takes place at the same perspective as at the top of the stack. It is also called as last in, first out. One of the topic and basic operations in stack. We'll see what are the basic operations that are performed in this stack. Push, pop, top is empty, overflow, underflow. Push. What is this push? To insert an element into the stack. Pop. To remove an element into the from the stack. Top. Return the top element of the stack. Is empty. Returns true if stack is empty, else false. Overflow happens whenever a push more elements on the stack than its hold. Underflow, it happens when we try to pop an item from an empty stack. Now we'll come to the push. What is this push? Push adds an item to the stack. If the stack is full, then it's said to be an overflow condition. Pop removes an element from a stack. The items are popped in the reverse order in which they are pushed. If the stack is empty, it is said to be underflow condition. You can see in this diagram, first push it takes place from up and down, pop it takes place from top. We'll come to the display function. Display function displays all the elements in the stack. It uses a for loop to do so. If there are no elements in the stack, then stack is empty is printed. Is full and is empty. Is full function is used to check whether or not a stack is empty. Is empty function is used to check whether or a stack is empty. Both the function returns boolean value that is true or false. Peek operation. What is this peek operation? The peek operation, also known as the top operation, retrieves the elements at the top of the stack without removing it. It does not remove any of the element but retrieves an element. You can see in this syntax int peek, int stack, int top. If top is not equal to -1, return stack of top, else this is the comment, else return stack is empty or another thing. Underflow and overflow condition. Underflow occurs whenever an attempt is made to push an element onto a stack that is already at its maximum capacity. If overflow is not handled properly, it can handle to data corruption of the program crashes. Underflow occurs when an attempt is made to pop an element from an empty stack. Similar to the overflow, if underflow is not handled properly, it can lead to an error or unexpected behavior in a program. It concurrent to check for underflow before attempting to pop an element in the stack. Stack operation. We will come to stack operations. Implementation of stack in data structures. In what manner we can implement the data structures? In an array. If in an array implementation, the stack is formed using an array. All the operations are performed using an array. Linked list. Very new elements is inserted as a top element in the linked list. Implementation of the stack in data structure. That means every new inserted element is pointed to the top. Next we'll come to the applications. Applications of stack. Function call and recursion. When a function is called, the current state of the program is pushed onto the stack. Exception evaluation. Stack data structure is used to evaluate expression in infix or postfix or prefix notation. Balanced parenthesis. Stack data structure is used to check if the parentheses are balanced or not. Backtracking algorithm. The backtracking algorithm uses stack to keep track of the state. Guys, you can see here it is an example of a stack operation. You can see here I have declared maximum size of the stack is 4. I have declared in stack of max item character one of the choice. If I should declare the top as -1, we will perform the operation that is push. To perform the operation push, we should declare a function for a push function. In that we should give int stack and int item. If top is equal to max -1, if this top is -1 means top is maximum means 4. I think if you take that -1 0 1 2 3 it will come. If max is 4 -1 3, if else stack plus top is equals to item. Next we'll come to there is no return value of the push. For int we should return a value called RET function, RET value int pop. So we are using this integer value int pop int stack. We'll declare a variable called RET. If top is equal to -1, then stack is underflow. Else we have declared that variable that is equals to stack of top minus printf popped element is %t. And you give the display function. For displaying a function, if top is equals to -1, then stack is empty. Else you should take from top, first element to be retrieved is top, I is equals to top. Next we'll come to the I is less than or equal to 0, I minus. Next you should print. We'll come to the main function. In main function we should use do while loop, or you can also use the while loop. If you are using the while loop, then you should give while of 1 if it is true. Switch character. You should also declare here enter the choice if the choice is an integer value. Case 1. For you can see here case 1 is for push, case 2 is for pop, case 3 is for palindrome, case 4 is for exiting. Now in case 1, first retrieve the value which is to be pushed into the stack, then apply the function you have declared push of stack of item display. Then case 2, item is equals to pop of stack. Next display the function. Next case 3 is the palindrome, checking of the palindrome. If it is palindrome, it will become palindrome, otherwise no. 4 is exit, and default if you give other than this 4 values, it will take as default value invalid choice. Now I have given here the choice is 4. Up to the 4 choices it will then occur. Now we'll run the program. See here guys. Now we'll enter an element. First is the push operation we'll do. Choice 1, I'll push 1 into the stack. Next I'll also again choose the push option 2, element 2. Next, I'll push 1. Here I have pushed 1 to 1. Now we'll check for the condition of palindrome. See, here I have checked for the palindrome, that is here it is a palindrome number. Next we'll pop an element from this. Just we should enter 2. Here see, the popped element is 1. The stack contains is 1 and 2. Now we'll again pop an element. Popped element is 2 and 1. Again we'll pop. You can now here you can see that the stack contents are stack is empty. Now you can't solve for this evening. I thank you for all of you to listening my presentation, and I think it was useful for you also for You can, if you have any doubts, you can drop in the comment box. I'll do reply for it. Thank you.